Alright, so it's 5 a.m. here, or a little bit later, Monday morning here in Hanoi, and I'm up and I decided to leave a day early for one of my assignments. I got an assignment for the Smithsonian. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to do this shoot because after my deviated septum surgery, I said you can't travel for 2 weeks, and it might even be longer if there's bleeding. Anyway, no bleeding, the recovery looks good, so I can leave now. And Smithsonian is like my favorite. Smithsonian Magazine is my favorite client to work for. One of my favorite clients to work for. They're amazing. They always have like fun adventure stories. When I was starting as a photographer, these are the kind of assignments that I always wanted to do. I did a story in Myanmar for them about a elephant collaring program to help sort of ease tension between elephants in small villages. I did a story out in the middle of nowhere in Indonesia of the oldest cave art ever discovered, over 50,000 years old. And now I'm going to do, well, maybe I can't tell you the details of the story. Anyway, I'm going to Cambodia. It's a really cool story. I'm meeting up with a writer for a day. I'm going to be in Siem Reap, Phnom Penh, and another province as well. It'll be an adventure, but I figured I would take you guys along with like my packing process. So first, for my assignments, editorial, commercial, I'll pick a bag, right? So now since this is going to be, I don't need autofocus, I'm going to take my Leica kit, and I think I'm going to take, it's a safe area. Cambodia's rather safe, so I will take my building handbag here. This is a Hadley 1. And I'll just sort of kit it out for you. I'll show you what I'm going to take. So my idea here is to travel light. I take my, probably my workhorse for this is going to be my M11. This is going to be with a 35 millimeter. I'll have to take my laptop and a little tech pouch. I won't go through all that, but the laptop can fit in this bag as well. You know, I often take the Wodencraft, but I kind of switch it up depending on the assignment, depending on the kit. And I just like to mix things up and test different bags. I've got my Fix 50 here, that will slot in here. And because I need a backup on every single assignment, backup camera, typically I'll take, like for this I could still finish the shoot with an M10D, but what I think I'm gonna do is take my SL. I might need macro for like a couple shots, so I might take, this is gonna add some extra heft that I don't want in this bag, but I think I'm gonna take my SL2S with the R100 macro and slide that in here, and then round this kit off with my, let's see, I just might need a long lens. I'll take a 75, which is sort of a mid-range, my Voigtlander 75-1.4, and lastly, I can't decide, M10D or SL2. What I plan to do is, I sold my 24-90. What I plan to do is eventually get a 24-70. I want this kit to be lightweight even when I take my SL with me, which is a heavy camera. But I'm not a big zoom guy, but I might get a 24-70 used if I can find a good deal on it, just to have that little backup in case I need autofocus. This shoot I almost definitely will not need autofocus. I would say most of my editorial shoots I will not. Let's see, M10D maybe. Okay, I'll take that, and then I have a 135. I've been trying to sell this, but every once in a while I keep using it. I might take this 135. Be doing like not landscape, but landscapey type stuff, in addition to people typey stuff. So that's it. That's going to be my kit. A Leica M10D, a SL2S 100R macro for a couple little detail shots, a 50, a 35, and a 75, and a 135. And that should all fit right in here. And anyway, off to Cambodia. Wish me luck on the shoot.